I'm John, and this is just another car dude. In today's episode, we're going to be putting some pods in place of the non-existent fog lights on the Focus. It has a fog light switch, and I have the strip lights right now wired in there, but I'm going to unhook them. They're right there. Going to unhook them and wire these pods in and see if it works. So these pods are 18 watt. I don't know if you can see that there. They're 18 watts. They are TurboSii, I believe, off of Amazon, or TurboSii, however you say it. But they didn't come with any plugs or anything, so I had these ones from China that I also ordered on Amazon. And I don't even know if I wired them up right, but there they are. And then this will be the other side. Try to make them work, I guess. Alright, so this is the hole that I'm going to put the lights in, and the fog light wire. I'm not sure if I can get you guys in there enough to see it, but it's right here. So I'm gonna use that. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these here little pins and these rubber pieces on the fog light wires back there. Like I said, they're right here, and then I gotta figure out which one's power and which one's ground, because I don't remember. Okay, so I got the plugs on this side. They're right here. I also cut the chicken wire out of this side because it's just kind of in the way. I don't know if you can see them, but the plugs are on. And then I got the plug on this side. I didn't put this plastic piece, which that plug clips to, onto this one on there yet. I couldn't get the plug to work. Oh, something on the lens there. Couldn't get that plug to work. It just kept falling back apart. You know, Chinese stuff. So we're gonna do it the old-fashioned way. Gonna cut it back a little farther. Use some heat shrink. So yep, here it goes. Alright, so for now I just wired them, just twisted them together. I'm gonna see if I have the positive and negative right. So it looks like my first guess was right. So now I'm going to put the heat shrink on them, and then I'll mount it fast to the bumper. Alright, I got the heat shrink on there. So I'm just going to test one more time, make sure the light works. And then I'm going to mount it fast. Alright, so now I have to figure out how far back in it'll fit. So it's looking like that's about all the farther back in I can get it. And I think that'll be just fine. So now I'm going to mark it and drill my holes. Should be able to get that. I don't really care about the paint on the bumper because it's junk anyway. Alright, there's the hole. Now I gotta put some hardware in it, and bird just flew in here. Put some hardware in it, and I'll get it mounted up. So right now I'm trying to figure out how to keep this nut in there without it falling out, and I can't even get it in there, so that's good. Alright, so again, I'm an idiot, and it goes like this, not bolt up through the hole. Alright, so that's with them just hand tight. Well, it, not them. And I'm not sure if I want to keep it angled to the side or if I want to turn it and aim it towards the front. I don't know if I look kind of stupid or not. I think that's how I'm going to put it, aiming straight out. I'm going to tighten it down and then fire it up, see what it looks like. Alright, I think that might be, should be tight enough. Doesn't seem like it's going anywhere. Make sure it still works. Now we'll move on to the other side. Enjoy the time lapse, guys. I didn't test if this side even works, so hopefully it does. Alright. Let's see if it works. Alright, definitely works. Now we're just gonna have to wait until darker and see how bright they are. Sorry if you hear the fan noise, that's from the headlights. But that's about it. I'm gonna wait till it gets dark out. I'm just gonna tuck up some of the wires and then I will come back out and see how bright they are at nighttime. That's just headlights, and that's with the pods on. That's going to do it for this upload, guys. If you like the content, please give it a thumbs up. Check me out on Instagram at @justanother_car dude and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys on the next one.